Out here, we're at a little different location today. We're at an actual sand pit shooting range, not out in the shitty woods like usual. We got the ATI Trump rifle out here today, so we're gonna be taking some shots at this shitty. I'm assuming it's gonna be shitty, but we're gonna find out. It was like $5.99 from Walmart. It's supposed to be like AR500 steel. We're gonna see if what will happen to this. We're gonna be shooting. It's a little fucking hard to do shit with, holding this in my hand, but we're gonna take some shots with these green tips. They're like the regular military green tips. They're supposed to be like pretty good at penetrating things. That's what your mom said. But I'm gonna go run this down at the end of the range. I don't know how far this is. Definitely not within safe distance, but we're just gonna hope that nothing ricochets. We're probably about maybe 35 yards away. Probably not even 35 yards away. But I'm gonna put this at an angle so the ricochets shoot up into the sand and not back at us. Hopefully, I'm no fucking physicist or anything, but it's just what we're hoping for. So I'm gonna run this down there, and then we'll take a few shots. This rifle's not sighted in great either, so that's gonna be fun. Alright guys, so I went ahead and set the steel target down there. It was kind of fucking hard to get it to stay in place in the sand, so hopefully it doesn't move around too much, but we're gonna take a few fucking shots. Hopefully this hood doesn't get in my way. Fucking look like a goddamn hood rat out here. Let's see what we can do with that. Is that low?
Two hours later.
Holy fuck. Alright, so it's supposed to be in here somewhere. This might be it. Holy shit, out of all those fucking... Oh, nice, actually. Out of all those shots, I only hit it twice because this fucking rifle is not sighted in and it's really cold out here. But there's one, and then there's a more solid hit. It actually took a nice fucking chunk out of this. I'm not a little surprised actually. I didn't think the armor was gonna be that bad. I just thought that it would definitely be shittier than this. But it still did take a nice chunk out. It's not bad. It's pretty cool. Sweet.